Today, we're diving into something seriously mind-blowing. Meet the Me and Mine Aha Brain, a 4-in-1 science kit that's all about unlocking the mysteries of your brain. Are you ready to embark on this journey with me? We're talking about the 4 magic lobes in our brain. Let's break it down. First up, the frontal lobe. It's all about problem solving, planning, and critical thinking. Next is the occipital lobe, where we'll learn how our brain processes visuals. Get ready for a super fun optical illusion that will dazzle your eyes. Now the temporal lobe. We're decoding how our brain creates memories colored in different emotions. It's like stepping into a world of colorful memories. Last but not least, the parietal lobe. We're discovering how our brain controls the sensory system by mastering a magical temperature detecting trick. Mind-blowing, right? This kit encourages kids to disconnect from the online world and build connections in the real world. It's all about hands-on STEM challenges and mind-bending brain tricks. It's all about making learning an incredible journey and having fun while exploring the mysteries of our amazing brains.